Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So in the last two videos we have created this beautiful design and also we have performed the email and password authentication in our application. So now in this video we will perform the authentication with Google Sign-in. I have already created a video on Google Sign-in, but in that application we have performed only Google Sign-in. We did not perform all the other authentication. So in this application we will perform all the authentication. So this is the proper way how we can perform more than one authentication in our application. So for this we have to connect our project to Firebase database. So here we have to click on the tool and here we have to click on the Firebase. Okay, now we have to select the authentication tab. So here we have to select the Google sign-in. So here you can see our project is already connected because I have already performed the email and password authentication. So if you did not watch the previous video, you can also watch the previous video how I connected my Android Studio with Firebase. So we have to minimize it and now we have to initialize our button, this one. So this is BTN Google. So I will initialize inside our main activity. So here we have to initialize image view. So I will simply call it BTN Google. So here we have to initialize inside on create method. So here I will duplicate this line and just change this BTN Google to BTN login to BTN Google. Okay, now we have to create another activity for Firebase Google sign-in. So right click new and select the activity and here we have to create the empty activity. So I will just give the name of this activity Google sign-in. Activity. Okay, so now click on the finish. We can also perform the Google sign-in authentication with same page. So this is our main page. Here all the variables are initialized. We can also perform here, but I want to show in proper way how you can create all the authentication in separate activities. Okay, so this is our Google sign-in authentication. So we have no need of this one. So we have to just use our previous layout. So let me open the activity main. So here we have previous layout that we will use. So simply here we have to extend with over main activity. So here I will just simply add a main activity. Okay, now go to main activity and here we will set click listener on the button. So here BTN Google dot set on click listener. New on click listener. This is very easy authentication. Many people face the problem while creating this authentication. So here we have to create the intent equal to new intent. We have main activity dot this because we have to pass here context and the target activity is our Google sign-in activity. Okay, now finally we have to start activity. Here we will pass the intent. Okay, so when we click on the button we will open the sign-in activity that using same main activity methods. So here you can see we have extend with main activity. We are not using the XML code of the Google sign-in. We will use same XML code for our Google sign-in activity. Okay, so now we will open the documentation of the Google sign-in. So here I will type Firebase authentication Android, and here I click on the get started with the Firebase authentication on Android. Okay, now here I will select the Google sign-in. Okay, so here we have to follow few steps. It's very easy, no need to worry, just we have to copy paste code and that's it. So here we have to copy this dependency and just simply go to Android Studio and here we will open build.gradle module file and here we will paste that dependency. Okay, now go to again over documentation and here we have to open copy the second dependency and just go to Android Studio and also paste it here. Okay, now just simply click on the sync now and open over documentation. So now we have to copy few methods. So here I will copy few methods. So just simply select all the code and open the Android Studio, and inside our Google sign in activity, here we have to paste that code. Okay, so we have to create this variable, so I will just copy this, and here I will create the variable at the top. So here I will remove this one, and here I simply call it m Google client sign in client. Okay, now go to documentation again, and here we have to copy these two lines. This method actually call when we click on the sign in button, so we have no need to copy the whole method, so we have to just only copy these two lines, because this is our activity. When we click on our button, this activity will call, so we have no need to copy the method. Okay, so here we will create the request code. So here I will press alt enter to create constant variable. So here we have to pass 101 any number. Okay, so now I will copy the next method. So here I will copy all the code, and again go to Android Studio, inside on sorry outside on create method. So here I will paste that one. Okay, so now go to documentation again, and here we have to copy this method. So I will click here and copy all the code, and here we will paste outside on create method. Okay, so first of all we have to create the Firebase authentication methods. So at the top here we will create Firebase auth, mauth, and Firebase user, muser. Okay, now we will initialize the inside on create method. Here we will create mauth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance, Firebase user equal to mauth dot get current user. Okay, so here we have to remove this logcat. You can also show here toast message. So now here we have again need to remove the error. Just simply remove here, and here you can simply show the toast message to check what is the error. So here I will simply show the exception e dot get message. Okay, okay, now again remove this one, and here we have to create this method. So here I will press alt enter to create this method inside this activity. So here we simply create intent equal to new intent, and this is our Google sign-in dot this, and the target activity is our main activity, sorry, home activity dot class. So here we will create the intent dot set flags, and here I will pass intent dot clear task and intent dot new task. Okay, now finally start activity, and here we will pass the intent. Okay, again we have to show here error. So here I simply create the toast message, and here I will show the exception. So here task dot get exception. Okay, when we show the error, we have to finish this activity and go back to our main activity. So here I will simply call finish, and again I will copy this one, and where we have to paste. Okay, here we also have to paste. Okay, when finish this activity, automatically toast will show, so we have to show this. Okay, okay, so now we have to fix other errors. Let me check where is the error. Okay, here we have to pass the intent. Okay, when we open this activity, we have to open the progress dialog. So here I will create the progress dialog, so it will looks nice. So progress dialog, and here we will initialize it. So when open this activity, automatically progress dialog will load. So here progress dialog is equal to new progress dialog, and here I will pass the context, and here I will show the progress dialog dot set message, and here I will pass Google sign in, and here we have to show this one. So progress dialog dot show. Okay, so we have to dismiss over progress dialog when we successful authentication. So here we have exception. Here we have to show dismiss over progress dialog. So progress dialog dot dismiss, and again when we show the exception, so here we have to dismiss, and also when we successfully open the next activity, so here we have to dismiss. Okay, so now we have to open over Firebase project. So here I will open the Firebase project. Here I have project that I have created in the previous video. So just we have to click on the authentication, and here we have to click on the sign in method. Okay, now this time we have to select the Google. So just click on this, and here we have to enable it, and now we have to select our email. So here I will select the email and just click on the save project. Okay, now click on done. Okay, now go to settings, and here we have to add the SHA-1 key. So if you are facing this error, you have to paste the SHA-1 key. So just copy the SHA-1 key from the Android Studio. So I will open Android Studio, and here I will click on the Gradle. So just click on the Firebase, and here I will open the task and select here Android and click on the signing report. So here we have to select the SHA-1 key. So I just copy the SHA-1 key and open the Firebase, and here we have to paste that one. So here we have to paste and just click on save now. Okay, our project is completed, so we have to run the application. So here we have to select the app and minimize it and run the application. And here I open the other emulator because the Google Play services are updated in over this emulator. So make sure you have updated the Google Play services, otherwise over authentication will not work. So let's click on the Google image view. Okay, here you can see over authentication is start, and here you can see over new account is available. So here you can see over add new account is also available. So when you click on the account, so it will log in. Okay, here you can see here we have home activity. So our authentication is successfully completed. So make sure you run this application in your real phone, so it will work. So this is our Google sign-in authentication. It's very easy. There's no exception while coding. So in this way you can perform the Google sign-in authentication. So in the next video we will perform the Facebook authentication. So if you have question related to this video, you can ask. So see you next video. Take care.